Hey y'all, how you doing today? I'm Denise with Lily Pop Love, and we are on day 12 of watching Jenny open our present. Some of these tapes aren't sticking. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you, glad to have you. I can't wait to see what she's wearing again today and see what we have. So let's get started. I didn't even have it ready. Mercy. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. Aren't you glad to see me? You know, by day 25, you're going to be sick of my goofiness, but I have fun doing this, and I hope you're enjoying it. So let's see what we have for day 12.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, my goodness, this is fun. So, isn't this a fun sweatshirt? I think he's so happy, this guy.
I love
All right,
that.
day 12.
Oh my God.
Let's get on with
that
it.
Was so funny. That was so cute.
Okay.
Looks like the deer on open season. Oh, don't
You know how we are. We like to save that paper.
It's rubber or something. It bends.
Oh, you guys are going to love this. So, look at this.
It's heavy.
So this is a silicone ironing mat. It says Quilt while the iron is hot. It has all these fabulous cutouts on it. And the cutouts do more than just sit there, because this is to set your iron on. Now, for those of you who use the Oliso iron, you know, it goes down when you hold the handle, the legs go down. But for a lot of us, we just have the iron that you can sit on end, and you can actually sit your iron right on here, face down, and it's not going to burn through anything, because this is a silicone mat, and this is an exclusive Missouri Star product, and we are super proud of it, and I love it. And I love that it has all these cool little sayings on it and the cool quilty things, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. We'll see you tomorrow.
Gosh, that was adorable. Her and her sweaters. But y'all, oh my goodness, look at this. Look how thick this thing is. This thing is super thick. But it says, quilt while the iron is hot, silicone iron rest. Conveniently rest your iron in between pressings with our silicone iron rest. Fits most home irons and can withstand heats up to 465. Please only use the iron rest on standard ironing surfaces. It will become hot during use. Do not use the iron rest on plastic surfaces, cutting mats, or any surface that may warp or become damaged during extreme heat. Warning, bottom of the mat will become hot to the touch. Allow mat to cool before handling. Do not leave iron unattended. I wish I'd have known we was getting this, because this was a daily deal. So I got it because these things get hot. These Oliso irons, they get hot. Even though it pops up like this. So, you know, it pops up, even though it still gets hot under there. So this come on a daily deal. I was like, okay, I can't pass that deal up. And that way, you know, it won't scald my ironing board cover. But if I'd have known, let's see. It's not hot right now. It's on red. It's turned all the way down. That fits perfectly. So if you have an Oliso and you're worried about it getting too hot under there, you can use this mat, because it's fitting perfectly. Can you tell? It's fitting perfectly. Well, This is not just one of those little flimsy little silicone mats. This is nice. This is really nice. You got your Missouri Star label on it. Quilt while the iron's hot and some cute things. I don't mind logos because this is their box. So in my head, I would expect, you know, our things to say Missouri Star. I have Missouri Star. I got Chuck the Duck over there. If I'm buying the box, I kind of expect it to be on there, I guess, in my head. I don't know. But that's some good quality right there. That sucker is thick. So, tell me if you like today. And on another note, we have our table runner. And I got all my pieces cut. All my pieces are cut and ready to sew it up. So, y'all if you have this, let's get your pieces cut up, and then we can sew it up together and listen to some Christmas music and sew and relax during these busy holiday seasons. I'm excited to do that table runner. Are you guys? I just knocked the camera going crazy. And on my trees, once that Mod Podge dry, they look gorgeous. I don't know if you can really see, but the Mod Podge dried. And they are so shiny, you can't really tell. But they are just, and it's not horrible up there, but I don't like it. But even the red come out good. I went in the kitchen because I let them dry and I was like, oh my goodness, they actually do look pretty. So maybe not a fail, maybe not. But thanks for coming. If you guys will like and subscribe for me, please subscribe if you don't mind. It just takes a second. And I'm going to do a giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. So y'all come back and see me tomorrow. We'll watch Jenny unbox and see what she's wearing. That was too cute. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye-bye.